fans. Pose for the pose for the pose for the fans. Pose for the pose for the pose for the fans. Pose for the fans.
Creativity, connections, innovations. These three words perfectly describe one company, Google. What started in a small garage back in 1996 has grown into one of the most influential technology giants in the world. Google's mission is simple yet powerful: to organize world's information, make it universally accessible and useful. Google operates in the technology and internet industry, offering world-renowned products such as Google Search, YouTube, Google Maps, and even Gmail. With over 180,000 employees worldwide, Google stands out for its flat organizational structure, which encourages open communications, collaborations, innovations among its people. In these presentations, we will explore how Google applies communications, conflict management, and organizational culture to create a positive and productive workplace. These three elements work hand in hand to create an environment where teamwork flourishes. So, let's begin.
At Google, communication plays an important role in connecting thousands of employees around the world. The company believes that open and transparent communication allows everyone to share their ideas and work together effectively.
Google also practices two-way communication where managers and staff can give feedback to each other. This helps build trust and keep informed everyone about project and decision.
The main functions of communications in Google are to inform, motivate, control, and connect employees.
For example, managers inform workers about goals, motivate them through recognition, control performance using reports, and connect them through Google Meet and Google Chat.
The communications process begins with a sender who creates and sends a message. The receiver decodes it and gives feedback, completing the communication cycle.
Alright guys, I think we need a new idea to improve Google Maps. So, what do you guys suggest?
Sir, I have a suggestion.
Yeah, please continue.
I think we need add a real-time radio for safer travel. What do you guys think?
Oh, that's a great idea. We can try it next week and collect customer feedback.
Alright.
Teamwork is one of Google's strongest values. Employees often work together to stay connected no matter where they are.
There are different types of teams in Google, such as functional team, cross-functional team, and virtual teams. For functional team, there are people who are in the same department. For cross-functional team, there are people in a different department but working on one project. For virtual team, there are employees working online from different countries.
This team stay connected with Google's tools, where they stay connected and keep in touch with each other.
Google helps employees to become an effective team player through training, workshop, and team building activities. New employees encouraged to share their ideas and collaborate since their first day.
Good communication and good teamwork can make Google as an innovative and most successful companies in the world.
Next, we will explore how Google handles their conflict and negotiation to maintain their harmony and productivity in the workplace.
In every organization, conflict is something that cannot be avoided. At Google company, conflict always happens when employees have different ideas or opinions about how to improve a project. However, Google views conflict as something useful and functional.
It is a way to bring new ideas and creativity. What's important is how the conflict is managed.
There are two main types of conflict: functional and dysfunctional. Functional conflicts helps the organizations grow. It encourages innovations and improvement. But dysfunctional conflict can harm relationships and reduce productivity. Google encourages open discussion to turn conflict into something functional through communication and collaboration. Alright guys, we need to launch this new app feature next week. Nick, can you finish the design by next Friday? I can try, but I think we need more time to test the design properly. I do not want to rush and cause errors. I understand your concern, but what if we launch the simplified version first and then we release the updates later? Oh, that sounds fair. I can complete the main design by Friday and we test the rest next week. Deal. Let's update the team made together after this meeting. Alright. The conflict process at Google usually involves four stages. The first process is potential opposition, when the employees at Google company have differences in goals or opinions. The second step is the cognition and personalization, when the employees start to feel the conflict. The third step is behavior, when the discussion or disagreement occurs. The final step is resolution, when the negotiation helps both parties reach an agreement. Google encouraged employees to use integrated negotiations where both parties aim for solutions that benefit everyone. This approach builds trust and strengthens teamwork among employees. Google also provides leadership training to the managers so that the managers can manage the conflict between the employees fairly and respectfully.
At Google, conflicts are not seen as problems, but an opportunities to improve and innovate. Through clear communication and fair negotiation, Google company maintains its harmony and productivity in its workplace.
Organization culture refers to the shared value, belief, and behavior that shape people work together in a company.
At Google, culture is one of the main reasons for its success. The company promotes creative, open, and inclusive environment where everyone is encouraged to share their ideas. Google's culture is built around the idea of innovation and freedom. Employees are trusted to manage their own time and experiment with new ideas, even if they might fail.
The company also support diversity and teamwork. The people from different backgrounds work together and respect each other's opinions. Google Office also designed to be a fun and relaxing, which have a cafe, game areas, and open space to encourage collaboration.
This positive environment helps employees to stay motivated and productive, while maintaining good relationship with their colleagues.
Guys, I've been thinking about a new tool that can help users find eco-friendly road on Google Maps.
Oh, that's interesting. You should share it on our Idea Friday session. We can get feedback from the whole team. Really? That's great. I love how everyone's ideas are always welcome here. Exactly. That's what makes Google cultures special. Every idea matters, no matter who it comes from.
Google maintains its strong culture by training, employees recognition, and continuous feedback. New employees attend
orientation programs where they learn about Google's values such as innovation, teamwork, and respect.
The company also organized team building event, hackathon, and TGIF meeting to ensure employees stay connected and inspired.
Google's unique culture created an environment where everyone loves to work, share, and grow together.
Next, we will move to our final part that was conclusion, where we summarize the key lesson of communication, conflict, and culture of Google. From our explorations of Google, we have learned that harmony in an organization doesn't just happen. It's built through strong communications, positive culture, and effective teamwork.
Most importantly, Google's unique culture is built on freedom, respect, and creativity. These elements help employees to stay motivated and inspired every single day.
Thank you.